How to turn $100 into $1 million. It's a great headline, isn't it? And, you know, I'm trying to find things that are catchy to get people excited. Who wouldn't want to turn $100 into $1 million? And yet, I'm going to show you the secret, really. It is a secret because a lot of people have just never figured it out. And it's all based on a presentation that a speaker gave at one of my seminars. A marketing guy who's no longer with us, Dr. Savrin, he had a speech in which he asked all of my people that were there at the event, he said, how many people here want to make millions of dollars? And of course everybody raised their hand. That's why they were there. They wanted to make millions of dollars. And then he simply said this. He said the secret to making millions of dollars. Now, where's my drum roll here? Where's my drum roll? The secret to making $1 million is just to make $1. Which sounds outrageous, but then he went on to explain this. If you can create a promotion that brings in $1 of profit, he said that's all he cares about. He wanted a promotion that brought in $1 worth of profit. I'm using $100 as an example here, and then if all the other variables can remain steady, again, if the size of your universe is what we call it, or your prospective buyers, if you can keep all the other things, if you can keep those things, you keep those variables, roll out with those same variables, then you can if it made you $1 and the universe size is big enough, and a few other things are also similar, you can make $1 million or way more than $1 million. So it's all about testing. It's all about making a profit. It's all about getting something that makes a little bit of money and then rolling out with it so that you can make large amounts of money. All of the answers that we're looking for come through testing. And see, nobody really knows what's going to work the best or not. You have to test a lot of different things, but making a small profit is something to get excited about. And here is a secret when it comes to testing, a real secret that a lot of veterans even forget or don't know. You want to test as small as you can so that you're not risking a lot of money, because every time you test, you're risking, the chance of losing your money, but you want to test aggressively. So very, very, very aggressive testing, bold ideas, big ideas, and that can mean a lot of different things, but you're testing small. So with direct mail, it's the easiest way to use that example. I've mailed millions and millions and millions of pieces of direct mail, my staff and I. With a direct mail, let's say you have a total universe size of 1 million names that are roughly the same types of mailing lists, the same types of prospective buyers. You can do a small but very aggressive test. Again, in direct mail, that would mean a thick direct mail package, not some postcard or something like that. It would have a lot of different enclosures in it. It would have a nice sales letter, make a good, thorough, solid sales presentation. That would be testing aggressively. And yet then you only mail maybe 500 pieces. So even at $1.50 a piece, you're going to be spending less than $1,000. And then if it works, then you can roll it out. You've got 1 million names then you could roll it out to. So that's just an example with direct mail. Works the same way with direct response TV, radio, internet marketing. Test small, but test aggressively. And if you can make just a small profit, then through the rolling that promotion out to as many, to reach as many of those, so you're keeping the same variables as much as possible, then you're able to turn $100 into $1 million. So I realize it's kind of a catchy idea, turning $100 into $1 million. And yet really that's the secret. Testing small, looking for things that produce an initial profit, and then seeing if you can roll out and how far can you roll out with it and how big can you roll out with it then. That's the secret to turning small sums of money into huge sums of money. And so test as much as you can. We all hate testing, by the way. I mean, nobody likes to test because it takes time and because we're confident in our ideas and we think, we don't need to test that. But sometimes the things you think are going to work the best don't. And then sometimes the things that you're least confident about turn out to be major, major hits. So hope something there has helped. Testing is one of the many things we teach when you're one of our clients. If you are one of our clients, you know that. We're teaching a lot of different subjects here that ultimately we're giving you the best of everything that we've done to generate many tens of millions of dollars in sales and profits. If you're not one of our best clients, if you're not one of our clients and you want to know about what we're doing, click on the link below and think about what I said here. You know, the secret to making millions of dollars is to test some ideas and see if you can't make a small profit, and then and once you do that, start rolling out with it and turn those small profits into massive, massive, massive profits. So thank you for listening. Bye for now.